beautiful friends. Oh my goodness, I would like to welcome you to my collaboration video with LilyEase. I'll put it right here for you. It's LilyEase like swimwear. And I'm going to tell you, this is a really nice brand that reached out to me. They do a little bit of fashion and also they do swimwear on their website, and they cater to women that are curvy and plus sized, and they have a whole bunch of different types of designs on their website for their bathing suits. So yeah, this is really nice, a nice collaboration where they reached out to me and they said, hey, like, they were gonna gift me. So again, the video is not sponsored, but they were kind enough to gift me four separate bathing suits for everyone to try out. Now, again, you would kind of think like, oh, is she going to a little tiki party or a pool party? But this is actually a swim dress. So I actually really wanted to try out their swim dresses because I think I've always just worn like the regular bathing suit. I mean, I even owned, I've owned the bikini style bathing suits over time, but the dresses where it is like some of them come as a one piece and some of them come as separates. So yeah, I picked out actually four separate swim dress styles, but again, on their website, definitely go check out. They have one piece, the tankini, the bikini. They even have women's fashions as well, from dresses and tops, a whole bunch of different things on their website. So again, LilyEase, so I'll just put their name right here, and down in the description I'll put all of their information and their social media. Also, they were at all the links. So I have four bathing suits that I'm going to try on for all my friends here today, just to showcase like how this one's fun because it's so retro, right? And so like vintage looking and fun. They also, so they gave me all the links for the swimwear, so I'll put those all down in the description for everyone to check out. And they gave me a discount code, which I'll put here as well. I think it's Jenny10. Yeah, so it's supposed to 10% off of your purchase. But again, so when I upload this video, it will be 10 days. You'll have 10 days that the offer is valid. So again, if you do come in and see this video a little bit after it's been posted, well, the discount code might not work at that time. So just a little note on that. So yeah, so I'm so excited. This is the one that I'm starting with. Now again, I don't have all the names, but I think mostly all of the names for the suits were like a vintage cut or like vintage swim dress, or they'll just say like navy polka dots. So this is the navy polka dot one that I'm trying on first, which is really, really cute. The top portion, so this whole top portion is a full, like this is one whole piece. And this suit is two pieces. It comes with the boy short. So this is the boy short. So you can see that the little bathing suit has the boy short underneath, but it has this really nice, it has the nice little, as I said, the skirt, it's all one piece attached. And yeah, and so for me, these all come, look, I'll show you too, with actually all the bathing suits, they have a soft cup that comes in them, but they are removable. So I'll just kind of show you that these are just the little cups that would come in the bathing suit, but it's up to you if you want to keep them in or you want to remove them. I just removed them from my swimwear bathing suits that I'm trying on. And yeah, and so like the four that I had picked out are, as I said, they're very on the like kind of retro and fun, because again, that's my type of fun styling. I kind of just feel like someone can invite me to their pool party or their little tiki party, and it's like I can just enjoy having fun and dancing like I'm wearing a little cute retro dress, and then I can just walk into the water. As I said, this is a full-on this is a swimsuit and a bathing suit. That's just so adorable. And I think a lot of the girls too, I mean, if you wanted to dress a little bit more on the modest side, and yeah, you just want to have a little bit more coverage when you're at the beach, or as I said, a pool at a resort or vacation, Yeah, so that is, yeah, so anyway, this is my collaboration video. I'm so excited that the LilyEase had reached out to me, and yes, so this is great. So again, this is the first suit, which is really adorable. I think I gave you all the information that you guys would all need. And okay, so well, let's try on the second one. Oh my goodness, everyone. I think of the 4 that I picked up, this one is so cute. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. So again, it would be on the website called like the swim dress, and I think it does say like floral, and it has a flutter sleeve. It's so pretty. Yeah, both sides, flutter sleeve. The back looks really good. It has the flutter sleeve as well, and it's so adorable. Oh yeah, and I actually didn't say, I picked out all the bathing suits in a large. So that was, and again, I think it goes from sizes medium up to 4X. So that is the sizing that comes in all of the swimwear and the bathing suits. And I decided, oh yeah, if you know me, I own a lot of pairs of glasses. So I just thought for each bathing suit that I try on, I'm gonna put on a different pair of glasses that I think that kind of matches the style of the swim dress. So again, this is a swim dress, and it is 2 pieces, so it is a separate. But I think it's so cute. I love the pink and the purple and the blue florals. Very much, again, girly in my style. And I think it's really cute. Now this has the high waist. So this is a high waist cut, like just like your normal bathing suit. Underneath the dresses that you would see, but not the boy shorts. The other, so I think all 3 of the other ones have the boy shorts, so like the longer short, and this one had the high cut brief, just like a normal bathing suit, but this is a 2-piece. So the brief is 1 piece, and then so this whole section with the ruffle and everything and the dress is 1 whole piece as well. So oh my goodness, it's just like I don't know, I'm just gonna like play with the ruffles because I think the ruffles are really adorable. All right, so this was, yeah, so this was the number 2 bathing suit, which I think is really adorable. Okay, so let's try on the 3rd one. Oh my goodness, this one's so Hawaiian. So cute. So I said, it's like you're going to a little tiki party and you have your little tiki little Hawaiian dress on. So you said you can go to your party, have your flower in your hair, and then you're all set and ready to just go right into the water or the pool or anything at the beach. So this one is so cute too. And I love the patterns. They said if you go on the LilyEase website, you'll see lots of patterns. This one's got a fun back to it as well. It's got the crisscross, and it has nice high waist in the back. And this one has a boy short. So this one has the shorts instead of the high-waisted brief in them. And then, as I said, the really swingy little skirt that is really cute. And this is 2 pieces. So again, the top portion here with the skirt is all 1 piece. It's the top, your top, and then the little shorts are, yeah, so your separates. So yeah, so it's just little separate. And again, these are all the ones I'm showcasing here is they're all the swim dresses. So there is a section on the website where you can click each section. So you just want to go into the little swim dresses section, and then yeah, then you'll get to see all these really fun and cute little swimwear to try on. Okay, so this will be the 4th one that I want to show you, and yeah, so let's see what that looks like. Okay, friends, we have come to the end. It is number 4, the 4th bathing suit, and I think my glasses match this bathing suit. Yes, it's a black and white color block bathing suit. As I said, a swimwear, and it's a swim dress. And yes, I can't believe my glasses match this this bathing suit so much nice. As I said, it really matches it really well. Now, of the 4 that I picked out, this is, now the other 3 were all separates. This is a 1-piece. So this is a 1-piece bathing suit. I think it is completely 1960s style. As I said, I tried to pick out a couple of suits that were in a very retro type of styling, and I don't know, it's like it was really hard to choose. I don't even know which one I do like the best because I think all of them fit so nice. Again, I picked all the suits out in a size large. And the other three that I just tried on, they were just a soft cup in the bust area. This one actually has underwire, so it is a one-piece bathing suit. It has underwire, so it's actually, I do find with me that this one was the most supportive of all of the four swimwear bathing suits that I tried on. This one has the boy short, so it has the boy short, and actually there's, if you can see, it's a little bit of mesh. So because it's one whole piece, it's, again, it's not separate, it's all attached. So it's the boy short and the mesh, and then it just has a skirt that flows over, set in the back as well. And it has this beautiful, nice white piping along with the white color block, which, oh, I just think is so beautiful. Yeah, like I just think it would be so nice, as I said, to wear for vacation wear, going to the beach, out to the pool. As I said, just a really simple little swim dress that you can wear out. I mean, wouldn't you just think that I could just go out and do errands? I mean, it does look like I'm just wearing, it just looks like I'm wearing a dress. So it looks really cute. And yes, I am very happy that my glasses, I was like, oh my goodness, my white and black glasses match this bathing suit like perfectly. So when I was picking out the 4 bathing suits that would definitely go towards my style, I picked out ones, yeah, that would definitely go along with my, as I said, my type of little bit of retro type of styling. Okay, so this is where I'm going to end this video. Really want to thank, again, I'll put it right here, LilyEase, lovely brand, definitely, as I said, for our curvy girls. And plus size fashion is really great. Again, they did give me so a 10% discount coupon code that is only going to be valid for so it's going to be just valid for the first 10 days after this video is posted. So if you check the date that this video is posted, again, the coupon code might not be valid, but I'll put it right here. It was LE Jenny 10. I'm pretty sure that's what it was, but I'll put everything down in the description bar and LilyEase's information and all of their social media to follow and all the links to the, I mean, you guys all want to pick up this bathing suit, right? Like, as I said, the other ones are pretty, but if someone doesn't like pattern and they just love a nice neutral bathing suit that is just really, really flattering, as I said, because even that these have the underwire in them, you could definitely go and pick out this one. Okay, everyone, again, thank you for coming by to check out my channel. I do a variety here. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. I'll always do little fashion videos and other home decor and other different type of things here on my channel. Again, I don't remember, did I say I'm Jenny? I'm Jenny with the cottage thread, and now I can't remember if I said my name at the beginning, but I do always forget to do that and I just go right into the video. So anyway, I hope everyone has a great rest of your week. This was so much fun. It is just the beginning of, like, it's just, well, no, it's the middle of August. So like, I'm still ready to go to the beach because it is still quite hot here in Nova Scotia. So yay! So I'm really happy. I'm all prepared now. So anyway, thank you for everyone for coming by. So until my next one, we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye now.